Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on projections of plane. Now here plane is a regular hexagon. Now let us read out the problem statement first. Problem statement is a regular hexagonal plate of side 30 mm is resting on one of its corner in HP. Full stop. The plate is inclined at 30 degree to HP, okay, and 60 degree to VP. Okay, the corner opposite to corner in HP is in VP. Draw the projections. Okay, now this is the case. You see, what very first thing is what resting condition. Hexagonal plate is resting on HP on one of its corner. So how we draw hexagon? Side is equal to how much? 30 mm. So how we get it? Very simple. Go for polygon. Number of sides will be 6. Enter polygon by edge. Okay, then one sec. What is the thing? Go for polygon. Number of sides will be 6. Polygon by edge. Okay, when we go in horizontal direction, you can see resting condition will be resting on corner, and when we go vertical, it will be resting on edge. So I will go in horizontal direction. Side is how much? 30. 30. Enter. Okay, so this is the hexagon which is resting on corner. So on first projector there should be a corner. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so I will draw hexagon. Initially it is assumed that complete plane will be there in HP. So top view will be hexagon, front view will be a line view. Okay, so I have drawn hexagon here. Okay, then I will draw projectors 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, hexagon name will be ABCDEF. Here you will be having A dash, B dash comma F dash, C dash comma E dash and T dash. Okay, so this is my step number 1. Okay, now what next? The plate is inclined at 30 degree to HP. So surface is making an angle of how much? 30 degree to the HP. Okay, so inclination of the plate, how much it is? 30 degrees. So what we will do, we will copy this line view along with its points. Okay, we will copy this. Okay, we will place it somewhere here, then we will rotate this line view by an angle 30 degree. Okay, by keeping a dash point as a center. Okay, so when we rotate it, you will be getting it like this. Okay, once we have this, what next? Next thing is to draw projectors. Now from front view there will be 4 projectors. From top view there will be 3 projectors. Take it. Locate all the points. Points are A, B, C, D, E, F. Take it. Join all the points in sequence. Take it. So that you will be getting top view. Take it. So in third condition, in second condition you see point A is resting point. At the same time, angle surface makes an angle of 30 degree. Take it. Here surface makes an angle of 60 degree with VP. Now this is the case where theta plus theta plane plus phi plane is equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, so how it will work out? You see, initially, now this is what? This is HP and this is VP. Initially complete plane is there in HP. Okay, then in second step what we have done, we have made this plane inclined to horizontal plane by an angle theta. Okay, and क्या करना पड़ेगा? If थीटा प्लस फाइव इज 90 डिग्री ना, सो सेकंड थर्ड पोजीशन के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी नीड टू रोटेट दिस प्लेन बाय व्हाट एंगल? बाय 90 डिग्री. ठीक है, दिस इज द लोकेशन. नाउ ये लोकेशन पे कब जाएगा? वी नीड टू रोटेट इट बाय 90 डिग्री. सो व्हेन थीटा इज 30 डिग्री, अल्टीमेटली फाइव इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? If theta is 30 degree, so यहाँ पे phi कितना मिलेगा आपको? 60 degree, and that is the given. Phi is equal to 60 degree. So in third step, we need to rotate an object by 90 degree. ठीक है, तो this thing I am telling you logically. ठीक है, it will be rotated by 90 degree. So how we will get it? ठीक है, तो this is my second step. ठीक है, थर्ड स्टेप के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी नीड टू कॉपी दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, कंप्लीटली अलोंग विथ पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे क्या करूंगा मैं? वेरी सिंपल. ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, दिस इज माय ऑब्जेक्ट, यू सी. ठीक है, आई विल कॉपी दिस अलोंग विथ पॉइंट्स, यू सी. कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल वी, ठीक है, आई कैन प्लेस इट समवेयर लाइक दिस, ठीक है। और इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा अभी, वी नीड टू रोटेट दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। क्या करूंगा, आई विल फोकस ऑन ओनली ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, ओके। बाय व्हाट एंगल आई नीड टू रोटेट इट, by angle of 90 degree. So right click, rotate, about what, about center you can rotate by 90, you see, ठीक है। तो रोटेट कर दिया, ठीक है। व्हाट नेक्स्ट, तो पॉइंट के लोकेशंस देखो, दिस ए विल गो बिलो, ठीक है। एंड ये दिस इज पॉइंट डी ना, तो उन्होंने क्या बोला है, पॉइंट डी शुड बी इन वीपी, सी, कॉर्नर ऑपोजिट टू कॉर्नर इन एचपी, कॉर्नर इन एचपी इज ए के ऑपोजिट वाला कॉर्नर कौन सा है, डी, सो डी पॉइंट इज इन वीपी, what they have said, corner opposite to corner in HP is in VP, तो point D, so this corner is in VP, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, you need to select all this, ठीक है, ये पूरा सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, right click, move from this location to XY line like this, and then you put all points, this is point D, this is point A, ठीक है, then B C A B C D in this way, ठीक है। तो ये सब करने के बाद आई विल डिलीट दिस, ठीक है, ये आपको दिखाने के लिए ड्रॉ किया था। सो वंस वी हैव दिस, ठीक है, वंस वी हैव दिस, व्हाट नेक्स्ट, ड्रॉ प्रोजेक्टर्स, प्रोजेक्टर्स आर 1 2 एंड 3, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टर्स कितने आएंगे, दिस इज 1 2 3 एंड ए डैश का 4, ठीक है। सो लोकेट ऑल द पॉइंट्स आर ए डैश, बी डैश, सी डैश, डी डैश, ई डैश एंड एफ डैश, join them in sequence, okay, join them in sequence, then this will be your front view, ठीक है। so you can see थर्ड स्टेप में कैसे दिखेगा, यहाँ से देखोगे तो this line can be seen as a vertical line, ठीक है, in top view also and in front view also, so this AD can be seen as a vertical in top view and in front view also, ठीक है। so this is the thing, now यहाँ पे हमने बीटा फाइंड आउट कैसे किया है वो लॉजिक भी बताता हूँ मैं आपको, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे you see, whenever I am saying angle of plane is nothing but angle of diagonal, you see, ठीक है, whenever I am having rotation, whatever thing I am having, so angle of plane is nothing but angle of diagonal, you see, angle of plane is nothing but angle of diagonal, so what we have done in step number 3, ठीक है, so plane का angle कितना है 60 degree, so angle of diagonal is also how much 60 degree to VP, ठीक है। तो डायगोनल क्या है मेरा, दिस इज ट्रू लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल, ठीक है। वी कैन मेजर दिस थिंग फिजिकली, यू सी, वी कैन मेजर इट फिजिकली, how much it is 60 mm, ठीक है। then we have plan length, we can measure this plan length physically, how much it is 51.96, so what we will do, see, we have true length and true length and phi, true length is how much 60 and phi is also 60, so I will draw one horizontal, then I will draw true length कितना है 60 at an angle of 60 degree, ठीक है। when I draw true length I will be getting this look, from this end point I will draw this locus line, ठीक है। then what, take a circle, ठीक है, then take 51.96 as a radius, this point as a center, 51.96 as a radius, draw circle, this circle, see, you see this circle is tangential to this, ठीक है। तो it means that बीटा कितना आ रहा है मेरा, ठीक है, 5 or 60 degree, beta is found to be 90 degree, so here you see we have rotated object by what angle, by 90 degree, ठीक है, and point D is in VP, आ रहा है समझ में, ठीक है। so by this logic I have drawn this thing here, and to understand the problem physically I have drawn this thing in 3D, you see, you can easily understand when theta plus phi is 90 degree, ठीक है। so this plane, line view of plane can be seen in side view, साइड व्यू में दिखेगा वो प्लेन एज ए लाइन, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन, सो दिस इज अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। so this third step will satisfy all the conditions given, now this is complete solution, I hope you have understood the problem, thank you।